In this video, let me show you how to connect yourself to an Apple ID, to your Apple account on your MacBook Neo. Step number one, there's so many ways on how this can be done, but the easiest, in my opinion, is to go and click on the Apple logo on the top left corner and then select System Settings. Next, you're going to go over here where it says Sign In. Now you have multiple options. First of all, you can connect yourself using the email or phone that is associated with your Apple account. So over here, okay, where you see email or phone number, you're going to type it and press continue. This is what I will do. But if you have forgot the password, let's say you never use it for a long period of time, you can select forgot password. Or if you want to create a brand new Apple account for this computer, you can select don't have an account. So I'll go ahead and type my Apple account so I can log in. So I have entered my information and I'll press continue. Here it will ask you to enter the verification code sent to your other device. So if you have another iPhone, an iPad, or even another MacBook, go on it and you should have a message. Let me show you how it looks. But over here I'll click allow. And it will give me a number verification code that I have to enter on the MacBook Neo. So I'll go ahead, click over here and start typing. Then without pressing continue or anything, I just have to wait. It's currently loading. And my username has appeared on the left side over here. You will then be asked to enter the password of your Mac. This is not your Apple ID password, it's the actual password that you have created for this MacBook Neo. Next, after a few minutes, this message will appear. Allow Find My to use the location on this Mac. If you want to enable Find My, obviously click Allow. And now you'll have to enter yet again the password of this MacBook. And we are now logged in. As you see on the top here, you're going to see your Apple ID with your name, your email, and all the different features down below. Click on iCloud. And if you don't want your whole iCloud to sync with this computer, maybe you want to keep some stuff on your iCloud and not download all your pictures and all the different data, well, you can go over here, click on See All. And you'll be able to turn on and off manually what you want to be synced with your iCloud, with your Apple ID iCloud, and what you prefer not being synced. For example, if I don't want my notes to be on this computer, well, you can simply turn this off this way and go back and continue doing your stuff. So this is about it. At this point, you can start downloading apps and have access to many more features on your MacBook Neo since you're signed in into your Apple account. Leave a like, comment down below if my video was helpful. If you don't like my video, hey, leave a comment as well since you're here, and I'll see you in the next one, or not. Have a beautiful day.